guys, this is a very exciting video and I am so proud because I am officially a YouTube partner, which means that most of my videos can be monetized. As a YouTube creator, I feel that everyone's goal is to become part of this YouTube partner where your videos get monetized and you can earn some money from the content that you are making, which is crazy because I never thought that I would reach the requirements for monetization. You need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, and to be honest, I reached 1,000 subscribers pretty quickly within a month. But that 4,000 watch hours was really difficult, and recently I got 2,000 watch hours from one live video, which is insane. I'm going to share my YouTube journey and hopefully one day I'm going to be sharing you my AdSense paycheck as well. Created my account 9th of Jan 2023, but I started posting 9 months ago. Some people are able to monetize their account within a couple of months, but 9 months feels like an okay amount. If you guys don't know, I have a TikTok account, so my subscribers grew pretty fast when I referred my TikTok followers to my YouTube account. A creator in general on YouTube, TikTok, or even Instagram, you're told to use every single platform. So I never wanted to create a YouTube account initially. I just like posting short form content. As a creator, you're always told to use every single platform that you can, and because YouTube Shorts came through, I felt like I could utilize my content and repurpose them on YouTube Shorts, which I did, and that also grew my subscribers. I then decided to create more YouTube content because I felt like it's a perfect way, especially because I love creating vlogs and I'm also going Bangladesh soon, and that is my favorite type of vlogs to create. My goal was that if I was to get monetized before I go Bangladesh, great, but if I didn't, at least I get to share my whole experience in Bangladesh with you guys. So on 3rd of November, I hit the requirement for the 4,000 watch hours and my 1,000 subscribers, and these are my current analytics when I did reach the goal. So I had 689,000 views, and most of these are from shorts. My first short was posted 9 months ago, and even my long form content was posted 9 months ago. It was basically unboxing for my DJI that I got. I thought like, let me just unbox it because it was trending. My short form content done really well, especially because I just had to repurpose it from my TikTok and just copy and paste it onto my YouTube Shorts, which was pretty easy. So if you also have any other platform like Instagram, TikTok, definitely do that. I feel like this is the great way to increase your subscribers. I currently have 1,684 subscribers, so I'm not a massive creator, but for the amount of content that I do put on YouTube, I feel like this is a good number. Anyway, so on 3rd of November, literally 2 days ago, I was told that I reached the requirement and then I can apply. There were 3 steps for application. First is review the base term, which was literally just to tick the terms and condition, which literally took seconds. The next step is sign up for AdSense. If you guys don't know, this is basically the Google AdSense where all the ads get run onto your YouTube account, and you can also use AdSense for if you have any other websites or any other platforms. This is where a little bit of the complication happens. So I signed up for the AdSense, and then I got an email back within a couple of hours saying that, oh, I already have a duplicate account with AdSense and you can only create 1 account per person. I then remembered that a couple of months ago I did create an AdSense for this moment, just in case I do get monetized I could quickly link it. So I had to go back and then reactivate that account because it wasn't in use. So as soon as I reactivated that, AdSense got accepted. The next step was to get reviewed. So YouTube will check whether your videos or your account follows the YouTube policies. It says it takes a month. My one got accepted within a day, so that was really fast. So literally in 2 days my account joined the YouTube partner. So 3rd of November I applied, and yesterday 4th of November I got told that I'm part of the YouTube partnership. That was really simple. It's the process of actually getting those watch hours and the subscribers that takes a little bit more work, but it is possible, it is achievable, and I feel like if your dream is to also become a YouTube creator and also become monetized, then definitely go for it. I really do encourage it. It's just so much fun. If you have a passion for any sort of content, so I do beauty content, I do vlogs and lifestyle, you could just create videos, share what you love. If people also love your content, you will definitely get the engagement that you want. So hopefully I will be creating more content, and when I go on holiday, when I go in Bangladesh very soon, I will be vlogging because those videos do really well as well, and everyone likes to watch it, and it's so much fun to create as well, documenting what you do. And it will be the first time that I'm going with my daughter, so I am super excited, and I want to also capture those moments. So if you guys enjoy this video and you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video.